All right, so now we're going to go down to the second paragraph. And here we're discussing the relevancy of the problem. And this is in terms of size, reach, breadth, or magnitude. Okay? So in the second paragraph in Dr. Walker's dissertation, we see the following, where she discusses about the size of the problem. According to Statista, 40% of people ages 18 to 29, 43% of people ages 30 to 39, 23% of people ages 40 to 49, and 8% of people ages 50 and over of Americans play MMORPGs often. Now, here the statement or argument is made that, hey, in some cases, upwards of 40% of segments of the population play these MMORPG games. The Entertainment Software Rating Board estimates 67% of American households frequently play video games, right? So that's a vast majority. That's almost 70%. Then Dr. Walker goes on to say 74% range between 18 to 49 years of age, according to Entertainment Software Rating Board 2010 Forest 2017. Playing games together is an activity that adults enjoy and allows individuals to connect over a common interest. So in this paragraph, the second paragraph, you have to provide information that supports the relevancy of the problem. And this is done through a discussion of the size, reach, breadth, or magnitude of the problem. 74%, 67%. This confirms that, hey, this is a big population where this problem is occurring. Okay? All right? So, write this paragraph. Okay? Write this paragraph, and then when you are done, we will move on to paragraph 3.